Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. I got a few knives out of my pocket knife and knife collection to share. I just randomly selected a few and I'm just gonna show them. Got this at the flea market. Of course, I get most of my knives at the flea market and some from thrift stores once in a while. But this is a little camp hunting knife. Let's see who the maker is here. I haven't even looked in so long. Let's see. Okay, Decora Solingen, Germany there. Alright. Let me try to pull out some of these blades here. This thing has not been gone through. It's been something I've been wanting to refurbish. I have a lot of pocket knives I've been wanting to refurbish. This one I'm definitely avoiding because it's quite a project. Got the serrated edge on that one. Looks like just those two blades, and then we got the corkscrew here, and probably a ream here. Alright, let's go on to the next one. This one's unmarked. I mean, it probably had a marking once upon a time, but I couldn't find anything down here. No tank stamps. But I would like to refurbish this one for myself because it's really got a great, nice big blade on it. And the long nail nick there. And the pin blade. I'd like to refurbish this one up and sharpen it up. Also, this is another one I kind of want to work on too. I'd like to see what I could do with it. It'd be a challenge. It's got a pretty good blade on it still. On there, the other two, I think they need to be re-profiled. This is a Hammer brand, I believe. This has got the patent number. And I'd have to re-profile that end. I know I can take this apart. I feel more confident trying to restore this knife than the other because I think I can take this apart. But we shall see. Let's see the Hammer brand logo. Where is it? It's pretty vague. Pretty vague. All right, let's go on to the next one. A little bit newer. Electrician style knife, but this is a newer model. I think it's got a good look to it. Lock back. See, it's just locking back on that screwdriver. It's a Sabre or Sabre toolbox. Made in China. But actually, you know what? It feels pretty solid. It has a nice click. Everything kind of clicks into place. I probably picked it up for a couple of bucks somewhere. Or maybe even $1. I just can't remember right now. Alright, and the last one is a Boker jackknife. Got a nice look to it. Boker Plus 0762 440 C stainless steel. Okay, 5 knives went pretty fast. So here we go. This is what I showed you guys. Thanks for watching.